Source: Joe Mering, Android Central. Google's latest Chromecast with Google TV is one of the best streaming devices you can buy. Consolidating your services into one Google Assistant-driven interface is pretty sweet. Chromecast with a Google TV comes with a remote, but what if you can't find the remote or if you want to simply use your phone? You've got an app for that, and it's available widely around the globe. You can use the remote control in the app that was previously named Play Movies and TV, now known simply as Google TV. Alternatively, you can now use the Google Home app as well, but the features are limited. Just download either one and you can navigate the interface with your Android phone. Note this procedure only works if the Google TV device and your phone are both on the same Wi-Fi network. In cases where no Google TV is detected, the icon will not be where it should be. How to use an Android phone as a Google TV remote the long way. Download and install the Google TV app from the Google Play Store. Launch the app. Tap the remote icon in the lower right corner of the app. The first time you launch the app, you'll need to grant location permission. Tap while using the app. You'll be presented with a list of available Google TV devices. Tap the device you want to control. Source: Adam Dowd, Android Central. A 6-digit code will appear on your TV. Enter the code into the app. From here, you can use gestures to navigate the app. Swipe to the left to move left, etc. The back, home, and assistant buttons function the way you'd expect them to. If swiping isn't your thing, you can tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap D-pad control to switch to a D-pad. Source: Adam Dowd, Android Central. How to use an Android phone as a Google TV remote the quick way. You can also add a quick tile to your Android phone to quickly access the remote. Swipe down your notification shade. Tap the pencil icon to edit your notification shade. Locate the TV remote icon. Tap and hold it and drag it onto your quick settings menu. From there, the TV remote icon will be available in your notification shade. Just tap it to be taken straight to the remote interface described above. Source: Adam Dowd, Android Central. How to use Android phone as a Google TV remote with a Google Home app. It hasn't been very long since Google added the Android TV remote to the Google Home app. Here's how you can use Google Home as a virtual Android TV remote. Download and install the Google Home app. Launch the app. Look for and select your device in the app. Tap the open remote in the lower left corner of the app. Enter the 6-digit code that appears on your TV screen. Source: 9to5 Google. Upon entering the 6-digit passcode, you'll be able to use your Android phone as a remote via Google Home. You don't get the option to switch to a directional pad, so it pales in comparison to the Google TV app. Still, it's better than nothing if you're on iOS and can't be bothered to install yet another app onto your iPhone just for remote controls. Other test notes. As mentioned, if your phone is connected to a different network than your Google TV, the icons will not be where they're supposed to be. So that's the first thing you'll want to check. There's a separate app called Android TV Remote, which is still available on the Google Play Store and iOS. In our testing, both apps failed to connect to the Chromecast. Unfortunately, there is no Google TV app for iOS. So, iOS users can either opt for the Android TV app or use the in-app remote within Google Home for iOS. Google Assistant goodness. Chromecast with a Google TV, and all your entertainment in one place. Chromecast with Google TV is Google's latest TV dongle. It uses Google Assistant to navigate your various entertainment services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, and we may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Control your home with a Google Assistant. Get the most out of these smart devices and services with a Google Assistant. Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life, but it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. Here's what you need to know to take advantage of this helpful feature. Be kind to our planet. Keep your phone accessories environmentally friendly on Earth Day. We all want to keep our tech protected and powered through the days and nights of our busy lives, but before you buy another plastic-covered, plastic-packaged monstrosity, here are some accessories for your phone that are eco-friendly. High voltage. Charge it up. High voltage. Need a replacement USB-C charger for your Chromebook? Got you covered. USB-C is the single best thing to ever happen to laptop chargers, and now that basically all recent Chromebooks use it, you can buy a reliable spare charger, replacement charger, or travel charger without costing an arm and a leg.